Hey, Conor here. Welcome to the prop house at Neversink Farm. And I'm going to talk about how do you use a Winstrip tray. Well, you use it to do all of your starts. Um, and depending on which start, depending on which size. So you're going to use it for all your vegetables, unless you're paper potting it. Once you're not paper potting, you'll put in one of these. So I'm going to fill it up by just pushing in the soil, right? And then you're going to tap the air out of it. Okay, give it another, right? If any fall too low, sometimes that happens on the corners because you pay a little less attention to the corners when you do it. But that's it, right? And you see how the squares, there's no soil in those, right? It just fills all the chambers. Then you dibble it. Okay, in the next video I'm going to show you how to dibble it. But you dibble it, you seed it, and then you plant them. It's very easy to use, much easier than soil blocks, which I got out of many years ago. All right, so thanks for watching.